Hi, welcome to Dorito Vlogs. For beginners in the kitchen, learn how to make a filling for your pastries. 400 grams of chicken, 1 carrot, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1 sprig of celery, 1 sprig of leek, salt, and pepper to taste now. 3 pastry batter frying oil, utensils, tongs, or a slotted spoon, cauldron, or a deep frying pan, or air fryer. Fork if you don't have a no. 3 pastry pan cutting boards, 2. 1 for the seasonings, and 1 for the chicken. Turmeric, curry powder, cumin, and ajinomoto are optional. Makes 10 pastries. You can check out my other channels for leisure, MAMYGAME 777 at DORITO_vlogs. To explore everyday life, DORITO VLOGS at Dorito Vlogs for craft. Lovers Dorito, recycles at MicroToleres dir Tiaficio. For Manic cats, Hello.I'm.Bones at Ola. Soy. Husos for meaningful learning, ENLAUNESR at MicroTolers. Educativos Apocalyptic World AI at Mundo Apocalyptico AI.